Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As you know, the next month is Rabiul Awwal, and this Rabiul Awwal is very special Rabiul Awwal because with the arrival of this Rabiul Awwal, the 1500 years will complete of the birth of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. On this holy occasion, we will discuss Holy Sera of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. In this video, we are going to discuss about the holy noble lineage of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Nasb Pak. Look at the page. The noble lineage of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the most noble and pure in the entire world. As says Allah in the Holy Quran, لَقَدْ جَاءَكُمْ رَسُولٌ مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ. And there is two qara, there is another qara, لَقَدْ جَاءَكُمْ رَسُولٌ مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ. It means the most pure and most generous, most pure and most noble as lineage. And this is a fact that even the disbeliever of Makkah and the Prophet's enemy could not deny that the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam lineage is the most noble. And Abu Sufyan, even in the state of disbelief, when he was disbelief before embracing Islam, acknowledged this fact in front of the Roman emperor. It's been Heracles, as mentioned in the hadith of Sahih Bukhari, Kitab Badul Wahy. Despite his desire to find fault with the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, if any opportunity arose, the whole noble lineage of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam on his father's side as follow: Muhammad bin Abdullah bin Abdul Muttalib bin Hashim bin Abd Manaf bin Qussa bin Kilab bin Murrah bin Kab bin Lui bin Ghalib bin Fahr bin Malik bin Nadr bin Kinana bin Khuzaima bin Mudrika bin Ilyas bin Mudar bin Nazar bin Nidar bin Ma'ad bin Adnan. This lineage is established by the consensus of Muslim community. From here, there is some disagreement about the lineage up to the Adam alayhi salam. So it is not mentioned here because after Adnan, there is great dispute among the scholars. There is no consensus after the Ma'ad. The noble lineage of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam on his mother's side is follow: Muhammad bin Amina bin Wahab bin Abd Manaf bin Zurra bin Kilab bin Murrah. It is clear from this that the lineage of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam on his mother's side and his father's side meet at the Qila.